What's up, my producer friends? It's David with another monsterproductions.com. So for the past couple weeks, I've been extremely busy and I haven't really had a chance to get into the studio and just make some music. And so today, instead of doing a normal tutorial video, I just really want to get into the studio and make some stuff. For the past couple weeks, I've been kind of putting together this lo-fi hip hop sample pack. So I'm anxious to see what some of these samples actually sound like, how they work out. So we're going to test that out today, hopefully come up with some cool lo-fi music. Let me know in the comments down below if this video is still helpful, if you like it. Maybe I'll do more videos like this in the future. And without further ado, let's jump into it. All right, so the first thing that I want to do is go into Contact. There's this specific Rhodes sample that Contact has, which I absolutely love for lo-fi. So whether or not we actually end up using it, this is definitely the direction that I want to start with. So Vintage Keys, Funky Rio. I'm just gonna play around on the keys for a little bit and see what I can come up with. These seventh chords. These are always good for lo-fi. So right now I have some serious latency going on. I have my buffer link set super high. I'm gonna try 512. One little hack that you guys can do to make sure that your projects are taking up less CPU is go into your settings, go to your project, go to your time-based PPQ, set this to 24. It's going to free up a lot of CPU. All right, we'll try that. Let's go ahead and lay down some MIDI. Oop. All right. For now, I'm just going to leave this as MIDI. I'll probably export it as audio in a second. Don't forget to save. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and experiment with some of these samples that I have. Let's find a snare. Ooh, I like that. I think I like that first one, but I want to take this reverb tail off. Just making a little bit off the grid there. I like that swing. I guess I can do Control S. Control S to save. All right, let's try and get some hi-hats in here real quick. What do I have? Cymbals, closed hats. I think I like that. Let's do a little of this. I think I need twice as many hats. Let's get this one lower. So I haven't even added any sort of isotope vinyl yet, man. Gotta do that. Gonna get some vinyl noise. Some tape hiss or whatever, record hum, mechanical noise. Let's add a little bit of this. Just a tiny bit, a little bit of this. Do a little dust. Why not? Do I have any open hats here? I don't have any crashes or open hats or rides. Okay. I have this stuff here too. Let me do that instead. Get rid of this stuff. So this is my record noise. So what I like to do with my record noise sometimes is actually do like an automation clip and kind of experiment with the volume a little bit. So like on this one, I'm gonna go ahead and get some sidechain compression going on here. I don't know what it is about that heavy sidechain, just works so well with lo-fi hip hop. Man, I even want to do it on this hi-hat too. All right, it's time to get some more instruments going on here. So a lot of you guys probably know that I recently put out a GMS tutorial and I gave away a bunch of presets. So I have some pretty good like bell type presets in here, which are great for lo-fi. Let's see. Let's just play around with it. try Harmless has this Moog bass, which is pretty cool. Heavy Moog. I like that warm, like almost muddy bass. Alright, so I made a few changes to the track and I added a couple things. When it comes to this particular track and just lo-fi hip-hop in general, I'm really trying to just get that warmth out. I want to get rid of all those like super high exciting frequencies, and I just want to bring out the low end, low mids, and just have it feel very warm, pleasant to listen to, super calming, relaxing. This track in particular I think is very sleepy, sort of dreamy feeling. So let's go ahead and take a listen to the finished product, and I'm going to be including a download link for the track. If you guys are interested, you guys can download that. It's in the description of this video. So let's take a listen.